With the Apple September event is just a few days away, leaks and rumors are coming out every day. So guys, one of the biggest upgrade that you have seen in the Pro models for the upcoming iPhone 14 series will be the camera sensor. We are for the first time seeing a 48 megapixel camera sensor, which is a big jump from a 12 megapixel sensor from the last couple of years. So definitely this is going to bring some major improvements in terms of the video and photos. Now, in order to check the reality behind an 8K video and a single punch hole display, Apple got a lot to offer in this next iPhone with a couple of new features and a new hardware changes. As I have told you earlier, that 48 megapixel camera sensor is going to be a big upgrade for the iPhone 14 Pro models, and according to Ming Chi Kuo, we are actually going to see an 8K video recording for the upcoming iPhone 14 Pro model. To be honest, this is going to be on the cards because as you have seen in the Android side, there has been a couple of years Android smartphones are coming with an 8K video. But as you know that Apple, whenever going to implement something, they are one of the best one in terms of the video. So we hope that Apple will be bringing an 8K video which is not a gimmicky but instead has some useful features. Now also, not only the 8K video, the 4K video improvement is coming for the iPhone 14 Pro models, and definitely this new 48 megapixel will help out in order to improve the 4K video quality. Now one of the biggest challenges that I think that Apple will be facing right now will be the 48 megapixel camera sensor. In daylight, it's going to be one of the best one. It provides you the best quality images thanks to the pixel binning technology and the new larger sensor that are coming for the device. But when it comes to night, the 48 megapixel camera sensor might struggle because it will bring noise into its video and photos. In order to tackle that, there has been a leak that Apple is going to be implementing a 12 megapixel for its night photography just because to cater the noise in that. So this means that the night photography has been tackled using the 12 megapixel camera sensor. Moving towards the front facing design, that has been changed in the upcoming iPhone 14 Pro model, and basically up till now, we have seen that Apple is implementing an eye-shaped cutout on the front of the display, which at the first I didn't like it, but now I am liking that particular design because it brings uniqueness to the device. But 3 days earlier, we have seen a leak that Apple is going to be implementing a full punch hole cutout on the front of the display, which I think is going to be one of the ugliest design for Apple, because the eye-shaped cutout was one of the best one and it brings uniqueness, but having this long pill-shaped cutout will definitely be an ugly design. But don't be sad, there has been a new leak coming from an unknown source from China which showcased that Apple is going to be giving you an option through which you can turn on or off, and it will bring back the same eye-shaped cutout if you don't want it. So definitely if that leak is true, then I am loving that particular concept. Now another big story that is coming for the iPhone 14 Pro model is going to be the status bar that has been changed this time around, and we have a new battery indicators on the front of the display at the right side, and on the left we have the signal that are going to be coming, and this report has been coming from a Mac rumors. Now one of the biggest factor when it comes to the smartphone is the pricing, but this year it has been reports that Apple is going to be increasing $100 of a price tag for its iPhone 14 series. So definitely this is going to be a big jump in terms of the pricing. And you guys, I'm super excited about the Apple event. Basically, I'm looking forward towards the main 48 megapixel camera sensor that is coming for the upcoming iPhone 14 Pro models. So guys, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace.